In today's fast-paced world, the spaces we inhabit, whether at home or in the office, are a reflection of our personal style and functionality needs. One of the key elements that can elevate the aesthetic and utility of any space is the table. A well-designed table can serve as a focal point, a functional piece, and a conversation starter. Incorporating stylish contemporary table designs into your home or office decor can significantly enhance the overall aesthetic and functionality of your space. From minimalist designs that embrace simplicity to artistic pieces that make bold statements, there are countless options available to suit various tastes and needs. By carefully selecting tables that reflect your personal style while meeting practical requirements, you can create an environment that is both beautiful and functional. Whether you're entertaining guests at home or working in an inspiring office setting, the right table can elevate your experience and contribute to the overall ambience of the space. In this video, while you look at our today's collection, we will explore various stylish contemporary table design ideas that you can incorporate into your home or office decor. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of stylish contemporary table design ideas you can use in your home decor or office decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Minimalism has become a popular design philosophy in contemporary decor. A minimalist table typically features clean lines, simple forms, and a lack of ornamentation. These tables are often made from materials like glass, metal, or light wood, allowing them to blend seamlessly into any environment. For example, a sleek, rectangular glass coffee table with a brushed steel base can serve as an understated centerpiece in a living room. Its transparency allows the surrounding decor to shine while providing a functional surface for drinks or books. Incorporating multifunctional furniture is essential in minimalist design. Consider a coffee table that can transform into a dining table or one that includes hidden storage compartments. This approach not only maximizes space but also adds an element of surprise to your decor. A minimalist coffee table with a lift top feature can reveal storage underneath, perfect for stowing away magazines or remote controls, keeping your space tidy and organized. Industrial-style tables are also another contemporary table options. The industrial style has gained traction in contemporary design, characterized by raw materials such as reclaimed wood, metal, and concrete. These tables often showcase imperfections, adding character and authenticity to your space. A reclaimed wood dining table with steel legs can serve as a stunning centerpiece in an open-concept kitchen. The combination of textures creates a warm yet edgy atmosphere. Industrial tables often become statement pieces due to their bold designs. Look for tables with unique shapes or unexpected materials that draw the eye and spark conversation. A round concrete table with a polished finish can serve as an unusual yet stylish option for an outdoor patio, providing a modern touch while being durable enough to withstand the elements. Scandinavian-inspired tables have also gained popularity. Scandinavian design emphasizes functionality without sacrificing aesthetics. Tables in this style often feature natural wood finishes, gentle curves, and soft colors, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. For example, a round oak dining table with tapered legs can enhance the coziness of a dining area. Pair it with mismatched chairs to create an eclectic yet harmonious look. Scandinavian tables often incorporate light colors and airy designs that make spaces feel larger and more open. Consider using light-colored woods or painted surfaces to achieve this effect. A whitewashed coffee table with a simple design can brighten up a living room while maintaining a casual elegance. Mid-century modern tables are also great options with a timeless appeal. Mid-century modern design remains popular due to its timeless appeal and functional elegance. Tables in this style typically feature organic shapes, bold colors, and tapered legs. A walnut side table with a unique geometric shape can add visual interest to a living room or office space. Its warm tones complement various color palettes while providing a stylish surface for lamps or decorative items. When choosing your table design, don't shy away from bold colors and patterns. These elements can add personality and flair to your decor. For example, a vibrant yellow coffee table can serve as an eye-catching focal point in a neutral living room, adding a pop of color that energizes the space. Glass tables are also contemporary designs which provide transparency and lightness. Glass tables are an excellent choice for contemporary spaces, as they create an illusion of openness and lightness. They work well in small areas where you want to avoid visual clutter. A glass-top dining table with a sculptural base can serve as both a functional piece and an artistic statement in your dining area. Glass tables are versatile and can fit into various styles, from modern to traditional, depending on their base material. Consider pairing a glass top with wooden or metal legs for an interesting contrast. A round glass coffee table with a brass base can add sophistication to your living room while remaining visually unobtrusive. Rustic farmhouse tables are also options with warmth and character. Rustic farmhouse tables bring warmth and character to any space. Typically made from reclaimed wood, these tables have a charming, lived-in quality that makes them inviting. A large farmhouse dining table with a distressed finish can become the heart of your home, perfect for family gatherings or casual dinners with friends. Incorporating natural elements into your decor can enhance the rustic feel of farmhouse tables. Consider using natural fiber rugs or potted plants to complement the wood's organic beauty. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked stylish contemporary table design ideas you can use in your home decor or office decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.